How are you guys doing? This is I Am Christian here, aka Sleep Money Profit, and today we're going to be talking about exactly how you can go on the NFT market and actually explore NFTs, create NFTs, and exactly where you can find a majority of NFTs at. Now, I'm going to be talking about OpenSea today, and there's a few requirements that you're actually going to need before you can actually create or buy an NFT on OpenSea, right? So today we're going to be using MetaMask. If you don't have the MetaMask app downloaded, you want to go ahead and download the MetaMask app. This app is going to be an app that you're going to be able to hold currency on, to be able to purchase and connect a wallet to the OpenSea market. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get straight into the example. And if you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can actually get notified when I upload a video. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. So when you open MetaMask, it's going to bring you to a screen and it's going to have you log in. But for the example, I'm going to actually press cancel and it's going to bring you to a screen like this, and it's going to have you create an account. And once you create an account, you want to log into the account. And once you log in, it should bring you to a screen like this. This is going to show you your wallet, and it's going to show you the tokens that you hold and the NFTs that you actually have. When you want to go into the OpenSea market from MetaMask, you actually want to tap the top right here where it says wallet, and you want to make sure that you're on the Ethereum network or whatever currency network that the NFT is being sold on, right? So once you do that, you want to tap the 3 bars on the top left, and what it's going to do is bring you to a screen that looks like this. It's going to bring you to a menu, and you want to look for where it says browser. Now the OpenSea is loaded. Once you get to this screen, you can actually explore NFTs. You can go ahead and get straight into it by pressing explore, and there will be a search bar, and it'll show you all different types of things. We're going to get into that later, but the first thing we're going to do is actually connect our wallet to OpenSea. So what you want to do is press the top 3 bars right here on the right, and you want to press connect wallet. Now what it's going to do is going to bring you to a screen like this. For this example, we're using MetaMask, but as you can see, there's different wallets that you can use. But I'm going to go ahead and tap the MetaMask icon. Now once you log in, it should bring you to a screen like this. And all you have to do, if it does bring you to this screen, press the back button, or you can press the OpenSea logo and icon at the top left, and it'll bring you back to the screen that you originally started on. So on this page, you can actually create NFTs right here. All you have to do is press the create button. What it's going to do is it's going to make sure that you're signing into the right account. You want to go ahead and sign in, and then once you sign in, it's going to bring you to a screen like this. You can upload exactly what you want the icon for the NFT to be, the name, and all these different features on here. You can explore this, the properties, the numerical traits, the stats, unlockable content, and you can have it set to where it's explicit or sensitive content, and it'll put it on a certain thing to where it blocks people that don't want to see that type of NFT when you actually do upload it. And then also it's going to give you a certain blockchain to choose from. Right now it's got Ethereum and Polygon, and then you can also freeze the metadata, and once you do that, you can press create at the bottom. But if you want to explore NFTs, what you want to do is go ahead and tap the icon again that says OpenSea, and you can press the explore button, which is going to be right here. And as you can see, it's going to show you some of the trending NFTs that are really popular at the moment. You can scroll down and really explore different types of NFTs with different utility. There's many different ones that you can look at. And all an NFT really is simply a non-fungible token. What it does is it gives you ownership. It's a representation of ownership. So for example, metaphorically, let's say you were on Fortnite, right? And you bought a skin, and let's say it was an NFT. That would be digital proof on the blockchain network that you own this item, and whatever utility or things that NFT may hold in value, it's secured ownership because it's on the blockchain network. So there's different types of tabs here you can look at. Got trending, top things that are going on right now that are really hot, different types of art. As you can see, there's different types of art on here, right? If you're into art, you can actually sell NFTs as art. You can create your art, upload it, and actually sell it on the digital market, right? Collectibles. All right, and if you're familiar with a specific NFT, you want to look something up, you can actually tap this bar right here, and you can search OpenSea. You can search OpenSea for any type of NFT. Let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to type in so for example, let's say I wanted to look at a kangaroo hero. All right, I could type it in, pull it up, and what it's going to do is actually going to show the current NFT, all right? And you can purchase NFTs right here. All you have to do is make sure that you have Ethereum or Polygon on your wallet, and you can actually claim or buy an NFT on OpenSea. And there's many different ways you could do that. It's just like any other wallet. Only thing is that you can actually purchase NFTs using the MetaMask wallet and the other 3 wallets that were shown earlier. You can buy Ethereum, have it on any wallet or any network, and send it to your wallet that you actually have just created on MetaMask. And I'll show you where you can actually find that towards the end of the video. But let's say I wanted to search up a different item. For example, the mutant apes. So you can essentially look up any NFT you know about or explore different NFTs on the market. As you can see, NFTs are something that isn't necessarily just a picture, but it actually has utility behind it. For example, if I press filter, I can actually scroll down and look at the different things that it has. Or I can find usually most NFTs have Discord groups, and it'll show you the properties that the actual item contains. There's actually NFTs that were sold as houses, right? There was NFTs that supported charities as well. So NFTs is simply ownership of different assets, different properties. And I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how you can actually upload funds to this wallet. So all you have to do is go to public address, share my public address. And once you tap that, you're going to be able to copy the public address that shows up right here. But if this video helped you, please go ahead, like and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you can get notified when I post a video. I'm going to be dropping a lot of exclusive content. And if you actually want to learn more about how you can actually get into NFTs, you know, what's going on with the metaverse and cryptocurrency, I have links in the description for you, and you can tap the link and I'll have something is specifically for you that you can actually utilize to help you along your journey. All right, this is I Am Christian, and I'm tapping out.